we have checked out from our hotel last night. I did not vlog after that fish market thing. We got some fried fish, some chicken. Bought the chicken, gave it to a local shop. They cooked it for us with just like 150 rupees for 1.5 kg. That is pretty cheap, and the total chicken cost is better than having one at restaurant. You can try that. Always, like, whenever you come this side, try to buy the chicken and give it to a shop to cook. That will be much cheaper option. So after that we had some fun at the evening with our friends, and now in the morning now we are leaving for the beach. We will not leave here now. Our car is still here, but this is our hotel. That was where we were staying. So this side is the beach, and as I can see that most of the time the Bokkali beach sea is far away. I don't know, maybe in the early morning it was nearer, but most of the time whenever I am seeing this. So this is the shopping complex or shopping area of this beach. Lots of shops, local shops for this beach. That side is the Bokkali beach, and you can see this every side, in both the side of the road there are lots of shops. Lots of shops of stationeries, goods, gifts, gear items, parts, everything. So anyone want to buy anything, people all over India only, they like to buy something when they travel to some places. So for buying some souvenir or something like that, these are the ideal places. Rate is cheap, I will say, but non-negotiable. You cannot do a negotiate the rate like other places on the other markets in Kolkata or in other places. So this is the shopping part. People will do the shopping and then they leave. So guys, as I told you, the sea is far away from the beach. That side is the beach, and we have to walk all the way to the sea, almost 1 or 2 kilometers to reach the sea. So this side is the sea. Yeah, we are standing on the sea. The water is freezing cold, but equally refreshing. And yeah, this is the Bokkali Sea, for which we had to walk 1 kilometer from the sea beach. But still it's worth it, and now the water level is going up. Okay, so here I am in the sea. The water is coming. I am not yet prepared to have a bath or something like that, so I have just come for a casual walk, and I am standing in the water. It's freezing cold out here. I will enjoy some time here, and then we will go for lunch and maybe a trip to Jambudvip. I am not sure about that. And after that we will head back home. So this is Bokkali Sea Beach, and this is what I came for. So we are going to Jambudvip, and this is the point where we will board the boat to go to Jambudvip. That's the boat, I think, that goes to Jambudvip. This is the fishing boat, and this place is nice. You can see lots of boats are there. This is a type of creek type of thing, connected with the main sea, and we will go. Jambudvip is inside the sea. So we will go through the sea only. So I will show you in the road how we will go through the sea. So we are going to Jammu Deep and we have boarded a small boat on the upper part where we have boarded. So our journey has started in this boat and we are going towards Jammu Deep. Now we are in the creek and soon we will enter the main sea. So I will show you the whole journey. Just enjoy, watch and enjoy. Jammu Deep, the mysterious island in the heart of Bay of Bengal. The government does not allow anyone to get down at this island and no boat is also allowed near the island. One can come by boat, roam around the island and head back home. They are not allowed to get down here. So why is this secrecy? There has been speculation running around for years that this may be a secret site for the government or there may be some endangered animals located here. But what is the real reason? We found it out. The real reason is that this island is situated in a strategically very important position. So it absorbs all the tidal waves and storms that are generated across the sea. So it protects the beach from massive destruction. That is the reason to protect the biodiversity of this island. Government does not allow anyone to get down here. So we have reached the jetty boat from where we started our journey to that Jammu Deep. Now we have reached the jetty boat. That's the end of our trip for Bokkali for this time. We will head back home. We will get into the car and head back home. Very soon we will have a new trip. That's a surprise one. So perfect ending.